everyone! Welcome to another vlog! And so, for today's video guys, I'll be sharing with you another look, Asian baby girl or the badass look. So, guys, slash siya kasi medyo panglabanan tong look na to. So, in this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you all my stuff na ginagawa ko every time na nagkaganito akong full makeup. And yeah, na-inspire lang ako kay Miss Michelle D since napanood ko siya last month. And yeah, ngayon lang ako nagka-time na gawin to. And marami rin ako napapanood na ganito, but I made my sariling version. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, mag-start na tayo. Okay guys, so we will start with my eyebrows first because dito po talaga ako nahihirapan and tumatagal talaga. By the way, I supposed to wear a contact lenses today, but unfortunately, sobrang dry niya na and sira na siya kanina. Na-scratch ko siya ng mabuti kasi months na hindi ko siya nagagamit. Even nagpabili ako ng 1 year na lenses para masuot ko siya kapag may special occasion. And yun, wala akong pamalit. So, natural muna yung eyes natin. Proceed na tayo. So, I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Pomade in the darkest shade. If I'm not mistaken, ito yung pinaka-darkest shade. Gagamitan ko lang siya ng Anastasia Beverly Hills na brush, number 12. Ito kasi ako tumatagal, so inuuna ko siya every time na nagme-makeup ako. So after shaping and filling it, I'm just gonna use my eyebrow pomade from Benefit, and it's, yeah, wala na siyang logo kasi medyo ilang months na siya sa akin pero hindi pa siya ubos. And it's in the shade number 6, and ito yung darkest shade nila. So after applying my eyebrows, yeah, and it's already shaped and concealed, so we're gonna use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation to correct all the imperfections in my face. I'm just gonna put it here and use a sponge, and I already wet this sponge para mas bongga and mas full yung coverage. I'm not used into wearing foundation because mas fan ako ng concealer, but in this video we will be creating a badass look or Asian baby girl look, so we need a full coverage. Perfect na yung pagkaka-foundation natin. We will be using a full coverage concealer, and it's gonna be the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, yeah, in a natural shade, just to cover the imperfections na hindi na-cover ng foundation. But yeah, sobrang ganda and very full coverage yung foundation natin. So yeah, perfect sila together because NYX made these two together. Like, kapag bumili ka ng foundation, hindi naman siya automatic na kailangan bumili ng concealer, but ito yung parang pinaka-pair niya na magandang i-match sa kanya. the areas that I want to conceal and cover. So yeah, ito yung mga areas na gusto ko i-cover, and I'm just gonna use this same sponge wet para mas makapit and mas long lasting yung mga ginagamit nating products. By the way, I'm already wearing eyelash extensions, so I don't need to put mascara later para sa aking lashes, and nagdadahan-dahan ako, especially if you guys are wearing same. So after applying a concealer, I think it's all concealed and ready na tayo to contour. And syempre gagamitin ko dito yung aking LA Girl Concealer in the darkest shade. So siya yung ginagamit ko every time na nag-full makeup ako. I'm just gonna put this in these areas. If gusto nyong mas enhance yung nose or gusto nyong contour ng bongga, just try to use this L.A Girl Concealer. Of course, hindi siya ganyan lang. Kailangan natin siya i-blend with a brush. Just gonna using this Real Technique brush to blend this. Gusto ko lang i-use to aking hands. Fingers pala. Aking fingers para mas i-blend siya ng smooth sa aking nose. And syempre sa side ng aking nose. Then, after using contour product, it depends on you guys if you wanna use contouring powder or cream like that. And yeah. So, after nyan, gagamit tayo ng ating translucent powder, baking powder, setting powder, or any powder that okay sa inyo, guys. But ako is ginagamit ko itong aking Revlon Luxury Baking Powder para ma-bake siya ng mabuti. So, I'm just gonna use the same sponge and bake my face. Ako talaga masyadong nag-makeup ng ganito ka bongga. But, kapag mga ganitong bagay and may mga event, is gumagamit talaga ako ng mga ganito. Yan, after ko siyang mag-put ng baking powder or whatsoever na powder, I'm gonna proceed to eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. Yeah. And very neutral yung mga shades niya, but for today's video, we'll be doing a medyo badass, and it depends on you na, guys. But wait, I'm gonna look at my other brushes because mag-start tayo sa base ng ating eyes. So I'm gonna use this brown shade. Yeah. So after putting a base sa ating eyelids, I'm gonna use this medyo red na shadow. Baddie, I'm gonna use this medyo brown dito. Yan. Para very neutral lang. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Nahihirapan talaga ako sa aking salamin. It's very dark because I'm just using the natural light, guys. So I'm just using natural light. And yeah, medyo tumatagal na yung aking nakabake sa face. Just gonna remove this using a brush. Yeah, I think okay na siya. And we will proceed to ating eyeliner. And I'm gonna use this LA Girl Fine Line na eyeliner. So guys, after applying eyeliner, and hindi ko na siya masyadong napakita dahil nalobot itong camera, and medyo nahirapan ako dahil madilim dito and yung salamin ko is very nilapit ko sa aking muka. We will proceed to ilalim ng eyes. Just gonna use this first, the brown one na una natin ginamit kanina para gawing base. Mini-mix ko lang sila together. And after that, I'm just gonna use highlighter para maglagay ako ng highlighter dito sa inner corner. Ayan. I'm gonna use this Essence Pure highlighter palette. Ayan. So, just gonna use this shade. I-cover ko pala siya. And guys, ito siya. Para lang din maglagay ng konting highlighter sa baba. So, after kong mag-lipstick, ginagawa ko is, naglalagay ako ng lip gloss or it depends on you or depende sa look na gagawin nyo. But for this look, I'm not wearing one. So, hindi ko talaga alam anong gagawin ko sa aking buhok. But, ang pangit niya tingnan. And, yeah. So, this is it guys. Ito yung nagawa nating look. Bahala na ako anong gagawin ko sa buhok ko later. And yeah, nag-mix and match lang ako. I just wear a denim jacket na medyo yung may sira-sira, ganyan, distress. And nag-wear ako ng chain necklace, ng hoop earrings na ang bigat. And I also wear bralette. And depende sa inyo kung may ilagay ko sa hair. And hindi ko alam, baka maglagay ako ng bonnet or something later. This is it guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, kung bago ka lang and first time manood ng video ko, please pa-subscribe na. And yeah, magkita-kita tayo every week. Meron akong bagong video every week. And thank you for supporting and watching all my videos. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!